Good morning, everyone. I'm Isaki Amal, Assistant Professor of Commerce Department. Today we have to see number system and equations. Introduction. To fulfill daily human needs, man invented counting numbers at the beginning of the civilization. The successive development of numbers develops the modern mathematics. Mathematics means gains of numbers. In business mathematics, we know the use of numbers in business problems. Next, natural numbers. The set of natural number system is denoted as n. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are considered as natural numbers. It can be represented as n equal to open curly brace 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. End of curly brace. Integers. The number without fraction are called integers. Whole numbers. The union of set of natural numbers and zero are called set of the whole numbers. Rational numbers. Any number in the form of m divided by n. When m and n are integers and n not equal to 0 is called a rational numbers. Set of rational number is denoted by q. Irrational numbers. A number corresponding to a non-repeating infinity decimal is called irrational numbers. Example, pi, root 5, root 3, 3 root of 8, etc. Real number. The set of all rational and irrational number is called the set of real numbers. Equations. A statement of equality of two expression is called an equation. The expression are associated with unknown variables, usually denoted as x, y, and z. The equality of the expression is true only for certain value of the variables. 5x equal to 20, then equation is true only for x equal to 4, and if the value of x is not 4, then the equation is not true. Linear equations. The equation of the first degree is called linear equation. It is also known as simple equations. The linear equation is commonly represented as ax plus b equal to 0, where x is an unknown variable and a and b are constants. Quadratic equations. The equation of the second degree is called quadratic equations. This equation is true only for particular two values of the unknown variables. One value will be positive and the other will be negative. There are two methods for solving the quadratic equations. They are formula method and factorization method. Formula method. The formula represented as equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x is an unknown variable and a, b, c are constants. Factorization method. The equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is changed into ax squared plus b1x plus b2x plus c equal to 0. Take the product of a, c. Separate b into b1 and b2 so that ac equal to b1 b2. Nature of roots. The discriminant of the quadratic equation is called the nature of roots. The value of the expression b squared minus 4ac of the roots minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a of the quadratic equation discriminates the nature of roots. The nature of roots are denoted by symbol triangle. The different nature of roots are as follows. Nature of root is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Nature of roots greater than 0 but not perfect square. It means real, unequal and irrational. Nature of roots is greater than 0 and a perfect square, it means real, unequal and rational. Nature of root equal to 0, it means real and equal. Nature of roots less than 0, it means unreal. Thank you.